Production Linked Incentive Scheme, popularly known as PLI Scheme. The central government is granting incentives to the manufacturers who achieved the target of production capacities, and that is to encourage the manufacturers and to encourage the efficiency, encourage the performance. And the central government is granting incentives to the companies, manufacturing units which has achieved its targets prescribed under the PLI scheme. Under this scheme, electronics, pharma, telecoms get most of the PLI scheme benefits. The central government has released 2.87 thousand crores to the beneficiaries of the production linked incentive scheme till March 31st. It means the central government has disbursed to the extent of 2,874 crores to the beneficiaries under production linked incentive scheme. Majority of the beneficiaries under the PLI scheme are from 8 sectors like electronics, telecom, pharma, food processing. The next 2-3 years will be crucial for projects to move at a fast pace because of uncertainty, war between Ukraine and Russia. PLI schemes for 14 sectors were announced during the COVID pandemic year 2020 with an outlay of 31.97 thousand crores to boost domestic manufacturing and exports. The PLI scheme intention is to encourage the domestic manufacturing and exports. When the schemes were announced, there was no war between Russia and Ukraine. No investments have been derailed, but expect to get back on track during the year 23-24. That these 8 sectors are doing well, while few need to be increase their productivity, production and pace. Incentive claims of over 73,420 crores have been received under the scheme for 8 sectors: large-scale electronics, manufacturing, electronics and technology products, bulk drugs, medical devices, pharmaceuticals, telecom and networking products, food items and drones, of which over 2,800 crores have been already disbursed. Out of the applications received for 73,420 crores, the central government has already disbursed more than 2,800 crores under PLI scheme to the manufacturers. On the disbursement side, it is neither great nor bad. It is a mixed kind of thing. The next 2-3 years will be crucial and hope that things will move fast the current year. There is no structural fault in the schemes, but not all are going ahead at the same pace as was expected. Therefore, more stakeholder consultations are needed wherever required. Niti Aayog and the empowered group of secretaries will look at procedural lapses and to make it stronger and review the process. As per the department, till December 22, 717 applications have been approved in 14 sectors with expected investments of 32.7 lakh crore. Actual investment of 53,500 crores has been realized, which has resulted in incremental production sales of over 2/3 of 5 lakh crore and employment generation of over 3 lakhs. The highest disbursal of 21,649 crore was made in large-scale electronics manufacturing, followed by pharmaceutical drugs and food products. Apple manufacturing in India gave a push to electronics, while there are some specific issues in textile for PLI scheme. There are also plans to include more sectors under the scheme. The demands are coming from different industries, but no decision has been taken yet. No decision has been taken on whether new PLIs will be given, if given, when. White goods, advanced chemistry, cells, auto components, textiles are among other sectors where PLI benefits are being given. We expect that in the next 2-3 years, things will move at a healthy pace and a healthy speed. These are the details about the implementation of production linked incentive scheme. Until now, 8 sector has been prescribed by the central government to grant production linked incentive schemes to the manufacturers to encourage their production and exports. Now the government wants to There is a demand to increase to other sectors also under a PLI scheme, but the decision has not yet taken, which is going to be taken, which may be taken up in the next phase. Of course, the PLI scheme was declared in the year 2020 during the pandemic situation. There was no uncertainty due to war between Ukraine and Russia, and because of pandemic, the investment opportunities, investment decisions has been derailed. And the same way, the war between Ukraine and Russia also disturbed global demands, global supply chain, and all these are affecting the Indian manufacturing sector. I think all these the disturbances will be settled during the current year 23 and 24. By within next 2-3 years, India can expect that things will move in a healthy and fast mode, in the fast manner.